When something goes wrong with your web services in production, every second counts. But traditional monitoring runs checks one at a time, which means errors might go undetected or take longer to confirm. Meet concurrent monitoring. Instead of waiting for checks to finish one by one, multiple checks run at the same time. Setting up concurrent monitoring is easy. Let's walk through it. Step 1. In Uptrends, go to Monitor Settings and enable concurrent monitoring. Step 2. Set your unconfirmed and confirmed error thresholds. These determine how many failed checks it takes to trigger an alert. Step 3. Choose your checkpoint selection method. All checkpoints, minimum 5, for broad coverage. Step 4. Save your settings and Uptrends will handle the rest. Now, when an issue arises, you can confirm the problem instantly. You have more data to identify issues in specific regions, and you can resolve errors faster than ever before.